Hello and welcome to the eTrade tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to process an invited renewal. Renewal invitations will be processed and issued to the broker's agency's email address as usual. Renewals can be accepted or amended via eTrade. If a renewal is not accepted, it'll automatically lapse 3 days after the expiry of the previous full term. As you can see, I've already logged into eTrade and used the search function to find the policy I need. For more information on the enhanced search facilities, please refer to our midterm adjustment video. Once you've found the policy you want, select the policy to view the transaction list. Within the transaction list, you should see the current renewal invitation for the year ahead. Select that transaction. You can now see what premium our underwriters have invited the renewal at, with details of tax and commission. If you scroll down, you will see things like the cover start date, duration, as well as applicable excess and endorsements. At this stage, you can also use the left-hand navigation menu to view the policy details. To confirm the client's intent to renew this policy with the offered terms, click the Accept Renewal button. Full renewal documents will be emailed to the usual agency email address. To request that ERS underwriters review the renewal invitation, for example, if there's a target rate available, click the Refer to ERS button. To make changes to the policy from the renewal date, click the Amend Renewal button. A new version of the renewal invitation will be created. The original invite will stay exactly as it is and will still be available to be accepted later if your customer decides not to go ahead with the amendments. For this example, I'm going to create an amendment. So select the Create button. At this stage, you can make any required changes. Changes are done in the same way as new quotes and midterm adjustments. Use the left-hand navigation menu to go into the different screens. For example, if I wanted to amend the vehicle value from renewal, I can use the left-hand navigation menu to enter the vehicle screen. Select the Amend button and make the change. With all required changes, click the Premium button. You will notice this screen is slightly different to our new quote and MTA screens. A screen will display offering the ability to add a target premium and/or notes for review by ERS underwriters. This is specifically because of the way we invite our renewals. So rather than eTrade giving you an up-to-date premium, what the system will do is collect all the information you have entered as a part of this amendment. All amended renewal invitations need to be reviewed by ERS underwriters. Therefore, click Submit to send the request. ERS underwriting will review all amended renewals. In most cases, a revised renewal invitation will be processed back via eTrade, with relevant documents emailed to the agency address. If further discussion is required, ERS underwriters will contact the broker directly. And that's how you process a renewal on eTrade.